Ciao! Today I will show you how to clean dirty headphones that smell pretty bad to save some money by not buying new ones. We will clean these gaming headphones because gaming headphones are used a lot while playing epic games. And at the same time users are sweating a lot. Some even eat at the same time. Start by taking off earpads, but carefully, we will put them back later on. I'm warning you, horrifying scenes incoming. Jesus Christ, that's dirty. Here's how used gaming headphones look like. For now, we'll use toothbrush for cleaning. Neatly start brushing all corners to get rid of that dirty stuff. Make sure get all of it. Then let's clean biggest dust then. Looks like toothbrush is useless here. Screw open the headphones to get to the fiber filter. Then accurately clean the plastic construction under the filter, but carefully without making small debris in speaker construction. Also, don't damage it with brush bristles. Don't forget to clean other plastic constructors and headband. No matter how much details each headset model has, clean them all! If you see hair or some small pieces close to the speaker, use tweezers to get rid of them, because at higher bass and volume those small things can damage the sound. Do this with 100% precision without damaging the speaker. Then let's take wet cloth and start wet cleaning. Clean every piece accurately. If needed, rinse the cloth and resume the cleaning, neatly cleaning every little piece and also the cord itself. All this rubbish was cleaned just from the one headphone side, and here's how the other side looks like. Jesus Christ. And here's the clean side, which smells much better and looks like brand new. All it's left to do is clean the other side, and you can say that we got new headphones. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial will help you a lot. Also, don't forget subscribing and liking.